Miami phase yacht.
We live on a yacht.
We live on a yacht for a year. Going around the fucking country.
But we would need a Starlink of death. We would need Elon Musk on the fucking boat.
Yeah. We go around the country. We stop at different countries.
I know that would have to be the craziest yacht.
Yeah.
Did you ever see that one billionaire's yacht? Oh, wait, that was you that was in that clip. That billionaire's yacht?
Yeah.
It was fucking crazy.
Yeah. Cinema.